Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a little announcement and a little update to make, and that is that I finally have created my own website. I have been wanting to move away from Etsy for quite a while, but I've been a bit reluctant to actually take that big step. So when Wix reached out to me to partner, I was really excited because this was really the opportunity that I needed to give me the nudge I needed to actually get started. So a huge thank you to Wix for sponsoring this video and for helping me finally get my own website up and running. Before I start talking about my new site, I just wanted to make sure it's really clear that my Etsy shop is going to remain open for all of my digital products, and my website is going to have a shop section for physical products. So anytime I have a journal restock or anything that I've made that requires shipping, it will go up on my own site. So if you don't know what Wix is yet, it's basically a website builder where you can build different types of websites depending on your own needs. So you can make free websites, or you can upgrade to e-commerce websites or other business websites. Wix gives you the power to create a fully customized site all by yourself, giving you complete creative freedom and control over what is included on your page and how it all functions. So you can start out by choosing a template and just tweaking it to suit you, or you can even make your website from scratch. I feel that I've outgrown some of the really key features and benefits of having an Etsy store. For example, I don't really sell my journals or make sales from the Etsy search engine, but rather drive my own traffic through my YouTube channel. So I've thought about using my own website for ages, and I'm excited that I finally have got one started. So here you see me doing a little journal spread, which was like a planning page, or kind of like an inspiration board for the website, just to give me some ideas and to write down all the things that my website was going to need. I also included things like color schemes and ideas of what photos I might include and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and show you my website. So basically I wanted to create a shop for my physical journals. I think what's become really evident even in the last couple of weeks about Etsy and selling on Etsy is that at the end of the day, you don't own your site. Etsy owns you. They own your website if you're on Etsy, and you don't really have much say and much control. So at the end of the day, they can make changes and they can make decisions that are going to affect your business directly. And so I think it's really important to have your own site that you have control on and something else separate from Etsy. So this is what my website looks like. And so basically what I wanted to do was have a page where I can add my products, and this is where they will be. Obviously I don't have anything for sale at the moment. This is the shop page. You can also click the shop tab and it will take you straight here. But basically this is where things will be for sale. So here I just have a little blurb, and if I don't have anything available in the shop, you can pop your name and your email address into this little box, and that's just going to sign you up to be notified when there's going to be a new release, and it'll be like a day or a couple of days at least in advance to the restock. I've also got here my little social bar for Instagram. You can see my most recent post there. And then when you scroll down to the bottom, there's just my little contact form, and you can also click on all the links to take you to my other pages, so Etsy, my blog, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and all that stuff. So because I don't always have things available, like physical products available on my site, I also wanted to have another page here on my website that was a gallery, so that basically if I don't have anything for sale, you can still see what sort of things I've made in the past. So you can click here at view previous collections, or you can also click the little gallery tab at the top there. So in the gallery tab, it takes you to this page where I just tell you a little bit about what the gallery is for, which is basically for you to be able to view previous works that I've done and to read a little bit about each collection and sort of what inspired me, and to view photos. So if, for example, we wanted to have a look at the fairy tale journals, so you can click on the collection that you want to view. There's a little blurb about that collection that I've written, and then there's also a little gallery of photos from that collection as well. So you can view things that I've made in the past. I think that helps to give an idea of what sort of things to expect from me in the future, to be able to see how my style has evolved and to read about what sort of things inspire me and all of that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to be able to keep a record of things that I've made all in the same place. These journals are my art, they're my artwork, my self-expression, and so I'm quite proud of most of the collections that I've made, and so it's really cool to actually have a gallery page where I can sort of keep a record of them and be able to showcase them even though they have sold out. So as well as the gallery page, there's also obviously the about page, and this just tells you a bit about my story, a bit about how this all came about, and yeah, so just a little about section there. I'm going to leave the link to my website down below so you can go and have a look for yourself. But what I really liked about making this website with Wix was that it was quite literally to drag and drop. So basically you can pick a template to work from and you can just replace text and you can replace images, or you can start from scratch and you can make it as customized as you like. It kind of reminded me of doing a journal page. You can make it look like anything you want it to be, and it was really nice and pretty straightforward to use. At first I was a little bit intimidated, but once I actually started playing around with all the settings and actually trying to customize things, then I ended up having a lot of fun actually making the site, and it only took me like 2 or 3 days to get it finished. What I also really liked about Wix was that you can pretty much make your whole entire site before you sign up to anything. So I was able to build my whole website before I even upgraded to the premium site. So you can actually get on Wix and you can build your website and you can see if you actually like how it's going to look and how it's going to be. You can create a free site, and then if you decide you want to sell from there, you can easily upgrade and your site will remain the same. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. It's kind of like a try before you buy feature in a way. You can really see how it's going to function and what it's going to look like. And you can really do whatever you want with Wix. It's your website, so you can customize it however you like. You could even potentially set up a gallery page and then have like a little submission box underneath each image where people can inquire to buy something, and you could send an invoice. I'm pretty happy with how my website turned out. Obviously I can change it whenever I need to. I'm really excited about having my own site, and I hope you guys go take a look at it. If you're interested in making your own site with Wix, you can make one for free or you can upgrade to a yearly premium plan, and you can get 15% off by using my promo code johanna15. So check out the description box, I'll have all the links and information down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.